you despite of me doing everything that I think is the best for you. And as early as now, I'm saying sorry if that time comes. Pangako ko sa'yo na kasama mo ako manood ng Disney and Marvel or kahit na anong restoration. Ako ang unang mong kalaro sa mga laro na hindi ko minsan maintindihan. And I will sing songs na gusto mo as long as you like me to sing. We will dance and play because Tatay is here. I promise not to spoil you but to teach you the lessons that I have learned along the way. I will guide, protect, and love your nanay and you every day. So you could say, I am okay, Tatay is here. Pangako ko sa iyo, Princess, na palagi kang may tahanan kay Tatay. Tatay will be your #1 fan pag may bago kang tricks na natutunan o kapag natuto ka ng maglakad o tumakbo. Ako ang pinakamalakas na papalakpak sa lahat ng achievements mo. And sa oras na mabigo ka or masaktan, andun pa rin ako para sa'yo. Because Tatay is here na. I will do my best to show you how to love the Lord our God with all my heart, soul, and mind. Lagi kong ituturo at ipapaalala sa iyo kung gaano kabuti ang ating Panginoon sa lahat ng pagkakataon. That He is our Tatay, and our Tatay is here. He is always here. I will always be a present Tatay for you, my Luni. Tatay is here. I love you, my little princess. Happy birthday.